I am Boss D, and I'm the richest and most powerful motivational coach in the entire galaxy. We've come so far. We've conquered the whole galaxy. Why? Because we are motivated. Every day we wake up. For what? To motivate ourselves. So to my fellow students out there, let's broaden our minds. And together, let's conquer the whole universe. Just kidding, sir. I didn't really conquer the whole galaxy. Hehehehe. I'm Dojimar Ulat Alaman, 20 years old, born on October 10, 2004 in Sampaloc, Tanay Rizal, where I still go home often. Currently, I stay in a dorm at Reten Street, Sampaloc, Manila. I plan to stay single forever so I can conquer the whole earth. Just kidding. My hobbies include playing various sports and games, not the heart of the girls. In elementary school, I represented the University of Rizal System in the provincial meet baseball tournament. In junior high school, I played soccer in the municipal meet, also representing the same school. In senior high school, I became a basketball athlete for San Ildefonso College, Tanay Rizal, where we participated in the Inter-Catholic Schools tournament and won second place. I also enjoy mobile games. Mobile Legends, which I started playing immediately upon its release. My team won third place at the Save More SM tournament, earning 1,500 pesos and unlimited arcade tokens. At San Ildefonso College, we became campus champions in the school tournament. In Inter-Catholic tournament, we again placed second. It's always second place. Maybe I'm just everyone's second option. Ha 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 ha. I participated also in Wizard Circle Esports and won first place, and in Philippine Collegiate Championship representing National University. Also Call of Duty Mobile, where I was a beta tester and reached the highest rank in Season 1. I can play piano slightly, and I can also sing because of my Lola Maura and Mama Margie influenced me. I've also participated in several quiz bees. In grade 9, I won second place in a World Heritage Sites Quiz Bee. In senior high, I won champion in the Indivontion Quiz Master, which covered physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And I also participated at Olymphisics, which happened at Technological Institute of the Philippines, which I represented San Ildefonso College. In college, first year, I won second place in the Filipino Language History Quiz Bee. I enjoy watching anime and reading manga like One Piece and Dr. Stone, which sometimes inspires me to mimic different characters. As a result, I've developed multiple personalities. Ha 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 ha. My interests revolve around technology, coding, fixing hardware, creating automations, and experimenting with innovative ideas for the betterment of everyone. I am the eldest of 5 siblings and a loving brother to Ashley Rose, Lovely Joy, Chantal May, and Zitea Rain. My name Dojimar is a combination of my parents' names, a trend back in 2004. My father, Ronaldo Alaman, inspired Dod. My mother, Margie Alaman, contributed Gmar with her name reversed. Isn't that unique? Ha 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 ha. Finally, my favorite Bible verse is Philippians chapter 4, verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And that's all for my self-introduction. Thank you.